Hey, it's Iran here. In this quick tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use TubeBuddy to help you optimize your keyword, your title, all that good stuff. So we're going to start with a title generator. So I have an idea for a title, which is how to manually add tags to contacts in System.io. This may or may not be a good title. I don't know. So I'm going to click on title generator. I'm going to say what it is about. I'm going to click on generate ideas. And then TubeBuddy is going to give me a bunch of ideas. System.io tags, quick manual method that nobody shows. That's good. Hidden ways to add tags. Stop struggling with System.io tags, easy manual, that's good. Secret tagging, never mess with contacts. Yeah, that's really, really good titles. Let's click on generate ideas again. It's a bit of a boring tutorial, so I don't know that I'm going to go with any of this, but it's still pretty good. There you go. Quick guide, manually tag your System.io contacts. I like that. That's a good one. Tags, essential steps to manually tag people correctly. Okay, that's good. That's a really good little update. Okay, now I could do a few other things. Let's say on the keywords, you can scroll down. So I could say the target keyword, I want it to be System.io contact tagging. And now it's going to give me a bunch of recommendations. So you could see that I've got System.io tags, how to set up an email System.io, tag manager. That's not the correct one. But it gives you a bunch of ideas that you can actually work with, basically. So this is going to be really good. And you can also click filter by keyword score. And also you can filter by searchable traffic as well. So depending on the searchable traffic, it's actually going to give you the tags that are going to be the best for that. So you can kind of play around with that and see what happens. I'm going to click on refresh scores. I'm going to search tags, and that's pretty good. I can see that this one I haven't actually included. So I'm going to add that right here. And I've actually exceeded my limit because I already have tags added. But these are just some ideas on things that you could use. Every time you see this icon like this, there's probably something that could be done. So you can apply templates, title generator, thumbnail analyzer, pick a winner. There's a whole bunch of stuff here that I've really not explored, but it's just to give you a bit of an idea on what's possible. You can see here, it also gives you a checklist, best practices, add captions, add more tags, add tags to your title, add an end screen, add a playlist title between this and this. So this actually gives you a bit of a checklist as well that you can actually follow. So this is really good. Now this video already had a bunch of content in it, so obviously it's pretty good as it is. But if you're just uploading a video, there's nothing there. It's going to give you a bunch of best practices so you can actually follow a checklist. Hope that helps. See you next time.